I want actually a car. Wow, nice car. I'm gonna buy a car. But which one?
A customer!
Huh? Who's selling the car?
Hey, I'm selling those cars. Would you like to buy one?
Yes, I need a car.
We have many cars. We have orange cars, white cars, red cars. We even have motorcycles.
Let me check. No. Yes, I want this one. Wow, this car's really cool.
Cool.
I want to buy this car.
Okay, do you have money?
Yes, I have
$1? That's not enough.
How much is it?
The price of this car is $10 million trillion billion dollars.
Oh no, that's too much.
No money, no car. Ha.
I got pizza! Car wash, I wash the cars. Wash the car for $5. Car wash. Ugh, that's a nasty car. Okay, let's finish it. The car is clean now. Take for the money. That's a nasty cow. Oh, yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, the cow's now clean. That's $5. I have enough money. I have enough money.
Give it to me, give it to me. Wow, yeah, that's enough. Go, take your car.